Good morning, YouTube. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And today is one of them ugly days. Today we're going to a bar where a toilet got smashed. How do you smash a toilet in a bar?
Bangers.
Must have been a nasty drink. They were angry. Anyway, I got a picture of the toilet. I'm not sure it's going to be there, but that's what we're doing. We're going to install an American Standard air-assisted toilet. We'll see you at the job. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I got my young gunner with me today. See you inside. Here it is. The culprit. Tipped over and smashed. Evidently they had a heavyweight in here and toilet couldn't handle it. So we're here to put in a new pressure assisted American Standard toilet. You see what we got here. We got a little, used to be a flushometer here, I'm sure. When I tell you we ain't got time to fix none of this properly, bar restaurant packed. All right, knee pad, glovies. Let's get her done. Oh, you know what we might need, dude? We might need the pump. Oh, that is nasty. Surprise, surprise! All right, since we got a little surprise in the toilet, we're gonna throw the toilet back on the flange. Dump a bucket of water down the old pooper. Oh my God. All right, here we go. Here, fill this bucket up.
We're running gloves upside down.
What's that?
We're running gloves upside down. I'll do that.
I don't have to. I need it right. I did it right. Alright. I was working until I get out of here.
Nothing to bug out here.
Ain't nobody bugging out.
Oh, wow.
Fill out 5 gallons of water. This is how you flush your toilet. If your flusher don't work. I know everybody knows this. Do you know this? You can flush it.
I'm gonna get a new glove. It's gonna work.
Exactly. Next trip out. Next trip out. All right. Let's get the toilet flushed. How's plumbing now? That's a fake wall. Yeah, just.
Oh, mom just called me.
What?
She saw Marquise. I guess they work at ShopRite.
Yeah.
They're playing basketball next year.
Next year where?
I don't even know if it's like eligible.
All right, boys and girls, when you don't have a flusher, here's how you flush a toilet. A bucket of water, and you're off to the races. Another bucket. The only good thing about this, Angelo, is the bolts are already ripped out of the flange. Hopefully we can fix the flange. What did you guys do? We add a little bleach to the concoction, so it's all bleached out. This will absorb the stench of a doo-doo. Now I gotta unhook the water supply too. rod in. I think we pulled it out last night when the place was closed. But they didn't. Alright. This is all that's left of it, the tank. Oh, it's got to go the other way.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just stand it. Oh, that's here you go.
Everybody's getting a little bit like.
Here, watch out. Watch what I do. Ooh. Watch your hand. Watch your China, man. You get cut. Oh. You're out of here. Where the dumpster's at, right? Right behind my truck. You'll see it's pretty full. And there goes another crappy toilet. Is this flange doable? It's already repair flange. We're gonna make it work. This dude, from what I understand, was a heavyweight. Took out the whole toilet. Anybody have a toy story for me? Because I think this is a good one. This is my first collapsed toilet while in use. So I gotta do a couple bolts here. Yeah, I have to. That's in good. Got the Hilti 2 bolts in here, maybe 3. And secure this ring. Get this place back open. It's the only toilet in the men's room. Give me some toilet paper. Let's get rid of this old bowl wax here. All right. Now I know I should. Oh, I like that. I should have my ratchet screw gun. It's in the truck. I'm going to get reprimanded by my brothers. All right, where's that trash box at? Oh, come on, baby. That's what we want right there. Oh, yeah. We got this dog. We got this dog. There we go. Don't be mean to Daddy right now, please. pack of bolts right there. Huh? Andrew, you just snug this till it's, you know what I mean? I'm actually leaning on it and then pushing down on it. It makes it easier. But you never want to go too much and break the tank, you know? Is there any other, these, that, huh? I don't like how this thing wobbles. I gotta get busy. I gotta really crank on it then, huh? Just crushing that rubber plate there. Now we're touching. Alright, man, like. You ready?
I'll look it up.
Huh?
The blanket direct?
I don't think so. That's right on the edge.
Pretty good.
Am I good? Alright, this is why the toilet's moving all over the place. It's way off the floor. Oh, there it goes. I like that. We're going to cement this with some quick dry cement, okay? Toilet caps. Thank you. I'm going to pick it up. Because the basketball game got picked up.
Yeah, they'll pick it up for sure.
Yeah. There it is. Air assisted toilet. We couldn't film, it was crazy, but we got her done. We're out of here. And there goes another satisfied customer.